It's about medical billing and coding. This is the table of content. We will learn about the basic concept of the healthcare revenue cycle, and then understanding different types of medical codes and the role of medical billers and coders. Okay, next is basic concept of the healthcare revenue cycle. The healthcare revenue cycle refers to a financial process healthcare organization used to manage administrative and clinical function associated with claims processing, payment, and revenue generation. Understanding this cycle is essential for anyone involved in medical billing, practice management, and healthcare administration. Okay, about the basic concept of the healthcare revenue cycle, this is first things about patient registration. The purpose: collect and verify patient information like demographic or insurance. And then the key tasks are verify insurance eligibility and coverage. Secondly, obtain consent form and financial responsibility agreement. Charge capture, the purpose, record services provided to the patient. How? Firstly, healthcare providers document diagnosis, treatment, and procedure. And these are translated into billable code using ICD, CPT, and HCPCS system. And then the third is about medical coding. The purpose: it converts providers' note into standardized codes for billing. And then why important? It ensures accurate and legal billing, a vague reimbursement level, and then claim submission. The purpose is send coded claims to insurance payers. And how? Firstly, claims are submitted electronically through clearinghouses or directly to insurer. And then errors at this stage can cause claim denial or delay. Next, claims management includes monitoring submitted claims, tracking rejection, denials, and appeals. And the goal: ensure claims are processed and paid efficiently. And then payment posting. The purpose: apply payment received from payers and patient to appropriate account. Include explanation of benefit or ERA, electronic remittance advice, reconciliation. Next, patient billing and collection. So if insurance doesn't cover all charge, the patient is billed for the balance. Staff may follow up for payment plans, outstanding balance, and financial assistance option. Revenue cycle reporting and analysis. The purpose is to measure financial health and identify areas for improvement. And then key metrics, days in AR, account receivable, and then claim denial rates and collection rate. So this is about the revenue cycle summary flow. They are patient registration, charge capture, medical coding, claim submission, claim management, payment posting, and patient billing and collection, then reporting. So why it matters? area, for example, patient experiences, the impact is clear billing, fewer error. And then about the cash flow, the impact is faster reimbursement. And then for compliance is a reduced risk of audit and fine. And then efficiency, lower administrative costs. Okay. Understanding different types of medical codes. This is for understanding different types of medical codes is essential for accurate billing, documentation, and insurance reimbursement in the healthcare. These codes translate diagnoses, procedure, and medical services into standardized format that can be understood by providers, payers, and regulatory bodies. Understanding different types of medical codes. Firstly, ICD codes, International Classification of Disease. The purpose to code and classify diagnosis and medical condition. And then the current version, ICD 10CM, is for US clinical modification. The example, E11.9 type 2 of diabetes mellitus without complication. And then for G20.9 is about the acute bronchitis and unspecific. This is used by providers of documentation, coders for billing and claims, and public health agency for disease tracking. Next is about CPT codes, current procedural terminology. The purpose to describe medical, surgical, and diagnosis procedure. Managed by American Medical Association or AMA. For example, 99213 is office visit, established patient for 15 minutes. And then 93000 is for electrocardiogram with interpretation. Next, it's about the healthcare common procedure coding system. The purpose is to code services, supplies, and products not covered by CPT. Two levels are Level 1 CPT codes procedure, Level 2 non-physician services, equipment, and supplies. Example, E0110 is for crutches, and then A0428 is for ambulance service and basic life support. Used by Medicare and Medicaid billing and durable medical equipment claims. And then national drug codes, the purpose to identify prescription drug and some over-the-counter medication. The format usually 10 or 11-digit number. For example, 12345678901. So this is for identify for manufacturer, product, and packaging size. This is used by pharmacy, payers, and providers. This is also required for Medicaid drug claims. Okay, diagnosis-related groups. The purpose to group hospital cases for medical reimbursement. Example, DRG470 is for major joint replacement or reattachment of the lower extremity. Used by hospital for inpatient claim, and then Medicare to determine payment rates. Okay, this is the summary table. For example, for ICD 10CM, International Classification, used for diagnosis. For example, E11.9 diabetes. And then CPT, current procedural terminology. It's used for medical procedures. For example, 99213 office visit. Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System used for supply, services, transport. Example A0428. NDC, National Drug Code, is for medication. Example 12345 678901. And then diagnosis related group is for hospital inpatient billing. For example, the RG470. So why understanding medical codes matters? Firstly, it's for accurate billing, so it will prevent claim denial, and then proper documentation, ensure compliance, and then efficient communication among providers, insurance, and patient. The role of medical billers and coders. Medical billers and coders play a crucial role in the healthcare system by ensuring that healthcare providers are accurately compensated for their services. Their work is essential for a financial health of medical practices, hospital, and insurance companies. Next, it's about the role of medical billers and coders. And medical coders translate medical report into codes after a patient visit of a doctor or hospital, and then coder review for physician documentation and convert diagnosis, procedure, services, and equipment used for standardized code, such as ICD-10, CBT, and HCPCS. And then ensure compliance. They ensure that the coding follow federal regulation and insurance requirement to avoid error and potential fraud. Support medical data analytics. Accurate coding helps track public health trends and support research and policy decision. Okay, the next part is about the role of medical billers and coders, but this is for medical billers. So prepare and submit insurance claims using codes provided by coders. Billers create detailed insurance claim and submit them to insurance company. And then follow up on claim. They track on progress of submitted claims, manage deny on rejected claims, and resubmit if necessary. And then handle patient billing. Billers also generate invoice for patient, process payment, and help explain charge and coverage issues. The role of medical billers and coders. Why their role matters? Firstly, it's about financial accuracy. As a proper billing and coding ensure timely and correct reimbursement, which is critical to keeping healthcare facility operational. And then patient satisfaction. They help reduce confusion over bills and insurance coverage, improving the overall patient experience. Legal compliance. Errors in coding and billing can lead to audits, fines, and legal action, and their accuracy help avoid this pitfall. Okay, that's all for medical billing and coding. So the next part is about mini courses that you can read by yourself. There are a lot of training about medical and also general virtual assistant as well, with some special price and of course the real experience in as a virtual assistant in healthcare industry. So thank you so much for listening. I hope that you will learn a lot of things in this topic. Thank you.